Now to the Ahmad Arbery case and the guilty verdict for all three men charged in his murder. This morning, a closer look at what's next in this racially charged case that's captured the nation's attention. This morning, the family of Ahmad Arbery says this Thanksgiving is bittersweet.
Even though it'll be a sober and solemn Thanksgiving, you can thank God you didn't let your boy down. Come on.
On Wednesday, a jury in South Georgia found the three white men charged in Arbery's death guilty of murder.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Travis McMichael, guilty.
The jury convicted Travis McMichael, the man who shot Arbery, on all 9 charges against him. Travis's father, Gregory, a former police officer who chased Arbery with his son, also found guilty, along with William Bryan, the McMichael's neighbor who recorded the chase. Lawyers say they plan to appeal.
Guilty.
While the verdicts were read, the judge removed Arbery's father after he screamed for joy.
You know what all my family went through during losing Ahmad, it was really devastating to my family. And when I heard that guilty verdict from the one that pulled the trigger, I really was really happy.
Outside the courtroom, an explosion of cheers and chants. Arbery's mother thanked her supporters.
Back in 2020, I never thought this day would come, but God is good. Now Quez, which you know him as Ahmad, I know him as Quez. Yes. He will now rest in peace.
Amen. Defense attorneys claim the men had reasonable suspicion to believe Arbery had stolen from a construction site before the encounter, arguing that the killing was justified under a citizen's arrest law at the time. But prosecutors argued the 3 men were the aggressors, targeting Arbery because of his race.
The jury system works in this country, and when you present the truth to people and they can see it, they will do the right thing.
The charges against the men carry a mandatory life sentence. The judge will rule on the possibility of parole at a sentencing hearing in the coming weeks, but the legal battles are not over. Arbery's father says he plans to file a civil lawsuit, and all 3 men have been indicted on federal hate crime charges. That trial is set for February. In the meantime, there's another case connected to Arbery's murder. In September, a grand jury indicted a former district attorney, Jackie Johnson, on charges of violating her oath of office and obstructing police. State prosecutors accuse her of delaying the arrest of the 3 men, using her past work with Gregory McMichael as motivation. Johnson has denied any wrongdoing, and she has yet to enter a plea.
Yet another smash and grab